Alright, so today we're gonna see how we can create a leaderboard, and from this project we can learn how we can save the information um, that will be on the leaderboard on an SQL or any other place where you want to store it. But SQL is really preferred and is very easy to handle. So if you're making an online game and want to make um, a place to store information, could be your login data, or in this case it's just the score that you get. So I'm gonna demonstrate on how this project works. Let's say I'm gonna just put my name here and start a game. And as you can see, there's already a leaderboard which is being reflected from the SQL server data to this web page. And so I already have played before, but last time I didn't win the match, so my score right now is 0. So I'll try to win this game to see if I can earn any score. I see that there are 2 lightnings here, 2 scissors. So with lightning and scissors, our better odds would be to go with fire. Okay, it looks like it's going opposite direction. So let me quickly go ahead and play this game. Not looking so good for me. Let's see, lightning. I already played 1 lightning. Okay, lightning it was. Okay. Alright, this is 50-50. Magic. Fire, scissors. I already played scissors twice. Okay. Yeah, that game was not good in order. Let me try that again. I don't see any plasmas. Yeah, that was a really bad hand. Let's see if I can win this one. Oh, I see a plasma here. Oh, that was a close one too. For some reason with my name, I can never win this. Darkness, fire, earth. Alright, I was finally able to win that match. So as you can see, because of that, when I do play again, I have 1 score on the board. And, well, oh, this is a better hand. 2 plasmas. Alright, I'm going to play this really quickly. There it is. Fire, lightning, earth, scissors, magic, earth. Did I play lightning before? Yeah, I did. Okay. Scissors, fire, plasma, and lightning. Okay. So if you can see that I have earned 4 scores now with the recent matches too, and to update it, I can just go ahead and pull and drag this on my SQL, and this will now reflect to the server. And to achieve this, how I was able to code this, I'm just gonna quickly explain. So this is the game.html where you saw where was the opening port for playing the game. So you can see enter your name and then the start game button, and as you can see it leads to Java script, which is game.js, and also has a button if you want to update your leaderboard. If you want to go to game.js, then there are we start off the code with explaining the number of elements, which is 10 of them right here: rock, paper, scissors, fire, water, earth, magic, lightning, darkness, and plasma. And we go on with once we have the main variables, then we have the code for the leaderboard, which is a JSON, and it's just local storage for the leaderboard. And moving on, we have the player setup, which is on click. You are how the game interacts. On click, the start game and how it is able to take your name and account your score for it, and to be able to um, pull and start the game. There's also a play again button. It's basically restart. It just refreshes the page. And every action there is a message box. So every time you hit and play again, a message pops up saying new game has started. Um, Sitting on the bottom always is a download for the leaderboard, to update it and to download it for the SQL. The init function makes sure that the game is valid and the game is ended when when there is no card in hand, but also to give random card and to make sure that it's 7 cards to start the game, so it evens out for both the players. The random card function is very important to bring a random card in the game. Then you can also see that the opponent card has an X in the back so that it hides the name of the card. And also the rendering of the card happens here. Next on, we have the battle logic, which is the win-lose scenario, and if it's either it's non-win or lose, it goes as in tie, and then that's how the game is run. Yeah, this is just basically stating that if your hand is, well, starting number was 7, if your card length is 0, then the game is over. Yeah, and these are resolving functions for the game. And this one is what updates the leaderboard and give points to the game. And this way it, it is possible to update your SQL and have a leaderboard that multiple players can look at and compete with each other.